Yeah, I know, but the situation is far from under control. I mean, I'm worried. We come into contact with germs on a daily basis. Okay, bye. What you doing?
What you were just talking about. Droom Germ Shield treatment.
Is it another cleaning service because you know they don't last?
It's not a cleaning service, it's a coating that kills 99.9% germs and lasts for at least 3 months. It works on bikes, cars, even at home.
Then why aren't we using it at home?
I just booked it for my bikes in the car. I shall now book it for the house.
Good plan.
Guys, जब तक इस बीमारी का इलाज नहीं मिल जाता, तब तक it's important to keep our loved ones safe and our surroundings sanitized. तो घर बैठो और figure it out.